Ever wondered what the perfect cooking temperature for your steak is? Let's simplify it. If you savor a rare steak, aim for an internal temperature of 120, 130 degrees Fahrenheit or 49, 54 degrees Celsius. Medium rare lovers should aim for 130, 135 degrees Fahrenheit, equivalent to 54, 57 degrees Celsius. For medium steak, target 135, 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 57, 63 degrees Celsius. Favor medium. Well, you're eyeing 145, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 63, 68 degrees Celsius. Lastly, for well-done steak enthusiasts, you're looking at 160 degrees Fahrenheit or above, which is minimum 71 degrees Celsius. But what about other meats? Let's delve into that. When it comes to pork, you'll want to reach a temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, or 63 degrees Celsius, and then let it rest for 3 minutes. Chicken and poultry need to be cooked to a temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, or 74 degrees Celsius. For ground meat such as beef, pork, or lamb, aim for 160 degrees Fahrenheit, which is also 71 degrees Celsius. Fish should be cooked to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, or 63 degrees Celsius. Lamb is best enjoyed when cooked to a temperature between 145 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 63 to 71 degrees Celsius. And finally, turkey should be cooked to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, or 74 degrees Celsius. So in summary, knowing the correct cooking temperature for your meat can make all the difference between a good meal and a great one. Whether it's a rare steak or a well-done pork chop, these temperatures serve as a guide to ensure you achieve the perfect level of doneness every time. Remember, the key to a delicious, juicy, and safe-to-eat meat lies in the balance of cooking it at the right temperature. Happy cooking!